Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix no sound problem in your Windows 11. So let's get started. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to update the driver. Now how we can do that? At the start icon, do a right click and go for device manager. Okay? Just simply tap that to continue. So once you're here at the device manager, please expand it by clicking this bar icon. And this time you need to look for sound, video, and game controllers. Okay, so I can see here sound, video, and game controllers next to software devices. Now, the very next thing that you need to do is you need to click this forward arrow here and you need to look for Real Tech. Okay, so I can see here Real Tech R Audio. Okay, so once you selected it, just have to do a right click and go for Update Driver. Okay, so it will show this a new window. It has two options: search for automatically and search manually for drivers. Now let's go for the first option. Okay, and if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you go for the search for updated drivers and Windows Update. Okay, so usually when they search for updated drivers and Windows Update, the issue will be fixed. Okay, so this will take some time, 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the network cable or internet connection that you are connecting to. Okay, so just have to restart your computer and see if it's work. Okay, so if it works for you, then good. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to go for the sound settings. To simply close this. And here, aligning the taskbar, you can see a speaker icon. Do a right click and go for sound settings. Okay, so once you're here at the sound settings, you need to make sure that the output device is the device that you are using too. So in my case, I am using a headphone that's why it's in default. And as well as here in the input device, make sure that you are using the correct device that you are using. Okay? So even if you have checked the output device and input device and you have set the correct headphones or the correct devices, but still your audio is not working, then this time you need to go for volume mixer. Just simply click this forward arrow to see more. Okay, so here you need to make sure that all the volume is 100%, system sounds is 100, okay, as well as the output device and input device is the correct device that you are using. You can change it by clicking this forward arrow here. And once done, if it's still not working, then let's proceed to the next step. Just click this backward arrow here and scroll down. Then go for this more sound settings. Just simply click this arrow icon to see more. The moment you click on that, this sound window will appear. Here you need to make sure that under the playback, you are defaulting the device that you are using, the correct device, okay? As well as the recording one, you need to make sure that the microphone that you are using is in check mark, and as well as the sounds, you need to make sure that the default is Windows default and not the no sounds, okay? So here in the communications as well, you need to make sure that reduce the volume of the other sounds by 80% is enabled, okay? So click on apply and then okay. Okay? So let's say if those steps doesn't still fix you, then let's proceed to the very last step. The very important step is we need to run the troubleshooters. Now how we can do that? At the speaker icon again, do a right click and this time go for troubleshoot sound problems. Click on it. So the moment you click on that, this new window will appear. Here you will be able to troubleshoot the problems, okay? So mostly once they troubleshoot the window, mostly problems like audio not working, Bluetooth not working, and more will be fixed, okay? Just have to wait until everything is ready here. Okay, here in this window, you just have to wait until the troubleshoot is ready, okay? So let's wait for some time. Okay, so in order to run the troubleshoot, just to let me close this, okay? Just have to scroll down and it asks you here to do we have your consent to run automated diagnostics to try solving your problem? Just click on yes to proceed, okay? So once done, just have to restart your computer again and you're good to go, okay? But before clicking on this, just have to make sure that your user account is signed in, okay? So once done, click on yes and then you're good to go, okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.